back. How was it?
Yeah, it was fantastic. It's a nice experience. Could not believe that I was doing it.
Thank you for jumping with us with Skydiving Dubai. See you the next time. Bye bye.
See you next time. Bye.